G'day, and welcome to Magic Threads Finishing with Jenny Brandis. This is number 1.2 in the series. We are now looking at the other end of the frame and about to join both ends together using the magic threads. As you can see under here are the magic threads. Add a cover cloth over the push-down pins to prevent any threads getting hooked as I work the joining. The 3 fan edge pairs will be worked first. Lay aside the other bobbins over the back and out of the way. Bring the magic threads out and above the cover cloths. Again, the cover cloths are to prevent the threads hooking on the push-down pins. Undo the bow and remove the holding string while keeping the magic threads in their colour sequence. Separate out the first 3 magic threads, purple, pink and yellow. Having the knots on this side, closest to me, with the loop going over the back. Lengthen the thread on the first pair to be joined. Pick up and open the loop of the magic thread. Put the green bobbin spangle first through the magic thread loop, making sure that the spangles don't catch on the magic thread. Gently pull on the magic thread knot. Bring the green thread through to form a loop. Catch the loop before cutting and removing the magic thread. Take the second bobbin of the pair and put it, spangle first, through its partner's loop. Lay it aside and gently pull the loop back to catch it at the pin. That has now locked those bobbins together. Lay them aside for the moment. I am going to tie them off after the other 2 pairs are joined. Moving on to the next pair, I am going to use the purple magic thread. Make a long length on the next bobbin. Notice that I tuck my spangles in against the bobbin to prevent them catching on the loop. Pull on the magic thread knot to bring the red thread all the way through to form a loop for the other bobbin to go through. Cut the magic thread off, pick up the red loop, and ease the matching pair bobbins through the loop. Lay that bobbin to the side and pull the loop back. Lay the pair to the side. I will do all 3 of these before tying off the pairs. This prevents the knots tangling in the sewings. 1. Lengthen the thread. 2. Open the magic thread loop and insert the bobbin through, spangle first. 3. Pull the knot end of the magic thread to form a loop. 4. Cut off the magic thread. 5. Put the matching bobbin through the loop before easing the loop back to the pin. 6. Tie it off with a knot. 7. Ease the knot to the work and in reverse. Lay the bobbin up and out of the way. Repeat the tying off for the other 2 pairs. These threads will be cut off later and put on a needle and threaded through the fan to hide the ends. Or, if you do like me, just cut them off. This is where I found that I was not as clever as I thought by using the string, as they have tangled slightly. I am sorting out the next magic thread to be used. Bringing back the next pair to be joined, I check that the twist is still on the pair, as you need that to fill the gap in. Now, this bobbin has a tangly spangling, so I need to be careful as I put it through the magic thread loop. Pull the magic thread to bring through the bobbin loop. Cut off the magic thread and run the bobbin pair through. Tighten the loop and tie it off. Lengthen the thread before cutting off the bobbins. I have not left enough thread to weave back into the work. I don't do the weavings, so we'll just cut the threads close to the knots. Before I shorten the threads, I pick up my lace, fold it over so I can see the knots clearly, trimming the thread close to the knot. Then I go back and trim a little bit closer. When I glue this down on a card, you will not be able to easily see the join. Make sure that the footside knot is tucked under.